Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you that how you can create this type of bottom navigation using HTML CSS and a little bit JavaScript. So friends, video is going to be more important, and before start I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. Without any delay, let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see that I have two files. The one is index.html and the second is style.css, and to the right side you will able to see the output. So first of all, we will create a basic HTML structure here, and I will give the title to my page like bottom navigation. Inside the body element I will create an unordered list with class navigation, and here in the head section we will link our style.css file with our this HTML code. Next, create a list item here, and inside this create an A element, and next create a span element inside this A element with class icon. Next, create another span element with class text, and inside this I will type home, and here we have to write the HTML code for our icon. In my current project, I am going to use font awesome icons. So first of all, we need to add the CDN here. So I will open the Google and search here font awesome CDN. Click on the first link, scroll up, and here click on copy link tag. Paste the link inside your head section. Now we can use font awesome icons in our project. To see their library, open the Google and search here font awesome icons. Click on first link, and here you can search for your desired icon. Like if I will type here home, so these are available icons. To use any of icons, suppose if I want to use this icon, click on it, click on this I element to copy this and paste this element here inside your span element with class icon. So in the output you can see we have a text home with an icon of home. Similarly, I will copy this and paste this for more time. You can see we have now 5 navigation items, and next I have to change these 4 words and these classes as well to change the icon. So friends, here you can see that I have changed their classes and text, and in the output you can see these 5 text and 5 different type of icons. Next, open the style.css and type here star, padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box. These two properties will remove the default margin and padding of our each HTML element in our page. Next, copy this body element, paste here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center, and minimum height 100 VH. These 4 properties will align our content exactly at the center position of our screen. Next, type a background color for our body element. Type this color code. Next, copy this UL element, paste here, and copy this navigation class and paste here with a dot. Type here display flex, justify content center, align item center. So you can see our list items in a same line. Next, type here height 120 pixel and width 540 pixel. To remove these black bullets, type list style none. Friends, next we have to type an important property which is a box shadow property, and we will use multiple box shadow values to create the shadow effect. So type here box shadow. The first value is 25 pixel, 25 pixel, and 75 pixel, and type here this color code RGBA 03 time and opacity 0.25. So friends, here you can see that we have a shadow effect on our card. Next, type here comma, and now we have to type the value of our second box shadow property, which is 10 pixel, 10 pixel, and 70 pixel. Copy this color code and paste here. Type here comma, and next we have to type the third box shadow property. So type here inset. Inset stands for that this shadow will appear inside our card. So type here 5 pixel 2 time and 10 pixel. Copy this color code, paste here, and change the opacity to 0.5. So you can see a shadow effect in inner side of our card. Next, again type here a comma, insert. This shadow is also for inner side. So type here 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel. Type here RGBA 255 3 times and 0.2 opacity. So friends, here you can see that we have a little bit white shadow inside our card, and next we have to type one more shadow property which is inset -5 pixel, -5 pixel, and 15 pixel. Type here RGBA 0.3 time and 0.7 opacity. So friends, by writing these box shadow values, you will get this type of shadow effect on your bottom navigation. And next we have to type here padding 0 pixel for top and bottom and 20 pixel for right and left. Type a border radius for your card 20 pixels. Next, copy this list item, paste here, and before this copy this UL element with class navigation, paste here. Here I will type width 25%. So we have assigned 20% of width to our each list item. Next, type a element which exists inside this list item. So copy this, paste here, and before this copy these words and paste them here. Type here text decoration none to remove this underline from our each text. Display flex, justify content center, align item center, and flex direction column. So by typing this property, our icon will appear to top and the text will appear to bottom. Next, copy this icon class, paste here, and before this copy these words and paste them here. Type here color and type this color value with opacity 0.8. So you can see the color of our each icon. Next, type padding 15 pixel, background color orange. This is a temporary property, we will remove it, and type here width 80 pixel and height 80 pixel. So now you can see our icon is not in the center. To keep this icon in the center, type here display flex, justify content center, and align item center. So you can see now our icon is exactly center position. Next, type here border radius 50% to round the corner of our this icon, and position absolute. Font size 1.4 rem. And next I will remove this background color property from here. So now you can see that our icons and our text is exactly at the same position because we have assigned position absolute to our this icon class. Next, we have to add the style, that how our this icon will look when user will click on this. So when user will click on this icon, we will add an active class using JavaScript in our list item, and here we have to type the style for our active class. Simply copy these all words, paste them here. After list item, type here dot active. Here type here transform translate y and -60 pixel. And first of all, I will add a class active in my first list item. So friends, now you can see that with active class, our icon will move to a little bit top. Next, type here background color. Type this color code. This is the same color code that we were assigned to our body. Type here color white. So our icon will be white on active. And next we have to type here a box shadow property. So type 5 pixel 2 time 7 pixel, type this color code and change the opacity to 0.5. So this is the one shadow, and in this icon we also have to add multiple shadow effect. Type here comma insert. Insert means that our this shadow is for our inner side. Type this value like -3 pixel, -3 pixel, 5 pixel. Copy this color code, paste here and change the opacity to 0.5. Next, again type here a comma, insert 3 pixel, 3 pixel and 15 pixel, and type here RGBA 255. Type 255 3 times and change the opacity to 0.2. So friends, now you can see a little bit white shadow on the top left of our icon and a black shadow to the right bottom of our this icon. Next, we have to give style to our this text. To do this, simply copy this text class, paste this here, and before this copy these words and paste them here. Type color white, and next we have to add here a font family property. In my project, I am going to use a Google font. So first of all, we need to add the Google font. Open the Google and search here Google fonts. Click on the first link, click on these bars, select fonts, and here you can search for your desired font. Like I will type here Poppins. Click on this font, scroll up and click on select regular 400. Click on view selected families, click import, copy this link and paste this in your CSS file, and next copy this font family property and paste this here. So now you can see that this font is applied to our each text. Next, type here transition 0.5 second It means that the transition time for our style is 0.5 second, and type display none because by default we will hide our each text. So from here I have to remove the active class because this style is not for our text with list item class active. Next, copy this text, paste here, and after this list item type dot active and type here display block. So we will only display our this text when user will click on our this icon. Type here background color, copy this color code, paste here and change the opacity to 1, color black, font size of our text would be 0.8 rem, and padding 2 pixel for top and bottom and 15 pixel for right and left, border radius 10 pixel. And next here we have to also type the box shadow property. I will copy this box shadow property, paste here, and we have to make some changes in our these values. So change this 5 pixel to 4 pixel, change this to 5 pixel, change them from -3 pixel to -2 pixel, change this to 3 pixel, and this third property will remain same. So friends, you can see the shadow effect on our this text. Next, inside this block of code we have to add one more property, which is border 10 pixel solid. Type this color code so you can see a border around our icon. Friends, next we have done with our code, and we have to do one more thing. When user will click on the icon using JavaScript, we will add active class on our list item. So suppose if user will click on this search icon by using JavaScript, we will add an active class here. To add the JavaScript, open your HTML code and type here script variable list is equal to document.querySelectorAll.navigation space li. It means that we have select our all list items in an array to our this list variable. Type here semicolon, and next here we have to type a function that will add and remove the active class from our list item. So type here function active link, type list dot for each item dot class list dot remove active. So this line is to remove active class from our each list item. Next, type here semicolon and type this stands for whichever icon user will be select. This dot class list add active. So we will add active class on the selected list item. Type here semicolon. Next, type here list dot for each. Type here item dot add event listener. So we will add click event listener because when user will click on our icon, we have to call our this active link function, which will add the active class to our selected list item. So friends, we have completed our code, but 0.5 second animation is missing. Let me see the code. So friends, we have to add this transition 0.5 second property inside our this icon class. Now you can see that the animation will look like this. So let me show you it in a big screen. I have zoomed in my screen to 200%. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos, and share this video with your those friends who want to learn web designing. And finally, thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.